Hey y'all, today I am making a one-pan burger casserole that is gonna be great for feeding a crowd. I've got 8 quarter-pound burgers there, and then I've got 2 cans of chili. This is the Wendy's chili, which is super, super famous, which I love. But I've got one that's chili, one with no beans, one with beans. So this way you can please everybody. You can have beans on one side, no beans on this side. Spread this around. And what goes great with chili? Some fresh onions. I'm gonna sprinkle some all over the top. Ooh, these are some pretty pungent onions. They're gonna be so good in those burgers. Then I've got 2 cups of triple cheddar cheese. That's gonna go right on top of all these burgers. I mean, chili burgers, great for a watch party, great for any sort of like weekend TV snack-in, or even a tailgate recipe like this. Then we're gonna be adding some French fried onions to make it a little bit different than the raw onions that are gonna be cooking inside those burgers. This is adding more like a little bit of crunch. Okay, so once I've added that, we're gonna add this 4 cheese Mexican style, which isn't necessarily like from Mexican food. It's just got 4 different kinds of cheese, and this is like a super melty cheese, which I love. Once that is spread around, cinnamon rolls. You know, these are really, really good with chili. I don't know if you've ever had cinnamon rolls with chili, but it is amazing. It's gonna be great in this recipe. So go ahead and take these out. Pop one on top of every burger patty. Ooh, I want to turn these over so you have the cinnamon on the upside. Did you know that these cinnamon rolls have like cinnamon on one side and not on the other? So it goes on top of every chili burger patty. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes covered with foil and 20 minutes with it uncovered. Wow, I love how this looks. Let's go ahead and dig in and see how we're doing it. Cut through all that cheese. Get our burger out. Through like a good, get that chili and that little bite of cinnamon roll, that burger. That's a good combo. You should make this. It's delicious.